Incredible, but never thought this could do this with diabetes, kidneys and face. Tajaya is a vegetable that few know about, but that has great beneficial properties for health. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, as well as iron and other minerals essential for good health. In addition, because of its low calorie content helps us to lose weight, while satisfying our hunger. If you want to know all the uses and benefits of the tajaya, we encourage you to continue reading this article. As we said earlier, this vegetable is rich in beneficial properties for health. The same can be used to level blood sugar, combat hypertension and strengthen bones. In addition, we can use it as natural analgesic, desinflammatorio, purifier of the organism, regulator of the metabolism, to improve the circulation and much more. Here are some specific uses of this vegetable. 1. Tayota with pineapple for diabetes. This remedy is used to control and prevent the blood sugar from tripping unusually. To do this, boil the tayota until softened and let cool. Then we liquefy it with a large slice of pineapple and we drink that juice in the mornings. 2. Humectant mask of Tajik. To prepare this mask, we must chop the tayota in half and let it stand for a while. Now, we will take the two halves and rub them with each other until getting a paste of them. To this we add a little olive oil and we will mix very well. We will apply this mask on our face and let it rest all night. Being rich in collagen, it will improve the appearance of our skin in many ways. 3. Combat diabetes. This vegetable is also good for controlling blood sugar. To do this, we chop a raw tayota and liquefy it with half a cup of coffee. Even the most experienced doctors recommend this remedy for how efficient it is. So if you want to end your diabetes, this is the best option.